Hey YouTube, Campervan Kevin here. Well, today I'm near Lyons Ferry, Washington. What am I doing here? Well, my buddy James, Wanderlust Estate, and we camped down below Little Goose Dam. And we're here on the Columbia River. There's James behind me. We're doing our oil check. Always check your oil every morning. Only takes a second. You never know when it might have started leaking. But doing a oil check, going around checking our tires, making sure we're good to go and good to travel. We camped here last night. This is the Columbia, correct? Columbia River, the Snake River, and a few others pour into this. We're going to go, James knows where there's a state park about 20 miles from here with a big waterfall. So we can't miss that. So we're going to start exploring Washington. Y'all come on, go with us. It's been, this is a free campsite here. We're about a mile north of the dam, and started raining on us last night. I had the motorcycle covered, but I can't drive with a motorcycle cover on. It flops around too much, so looks like my motorcycle's going to get wet. So what do we name the motorcycle? Well, I'll let you guys in on it. We'll go ahead and tell you now. You know, I had the options of Miss America with an M, and then I had Miss Motorcycle. Not motorcycle, motorcycle. That's what my brother called motorcycles. So we got a good number of each. I counted on Facebook, I counted on YouTube, counted on Patreon, but I think I'm going to mix them together. It's going to be Miss America, the motorcycle. So
I thought it should have been Who Did It and Ran.
Right. Well, red, white, and blue, we're going to go with Miss America. And that doesn't mean I'm not patriotic. Saying America means you're even more patriotic. So that's her name. James is from Washington State. So he knows the area well. He knows where to go. So I'll let him lead. It's a rainy day here. I hear there's snow coming in over on the west coast. Got an Arctic blast coming down on us. But we're on the other side of the mountain, so we'll probably just get rain. I don't want it to snow, Daddy. Well, I don't really want it to either, but I don't have any control over it. Looking country out here. We are headed into, I want to make sure I say it right, Palouse Falls State Park. Hey, they got camping here. We've got internet, we may stay here. Oh, tent camping only. Recreational vehicles prohibited overnight. Today is free, thanks. Rough road. Stay far from cliffs. Water currents are deadly. Man, it sounds like my kind of place. Dangerous. Dangerous like me. Tough, terrible. I think these are perhaps the worst shutter bumps washboard roads I've ever seen. I mean, there was a sign saying that it was rough, but I'm not going 0, but it feels like it. Man, my teeth about to be shaking out of my head. Come on, man. We can go across the pasture and have less bumps than this. I believe you're right, Tuck. Just checked my air conditioner. It's still charged, so that's a good thing. Had the heat going. I was like, well, I wonder if the air conditioner's going. So it just took just a few seconds. I'm back down to 40 degrees. We ain't no race to get there. We'll get there when we get there. While I'm thinking about it, the other day when I was in La Grande, Oregon, I thought somebody was pulling up that I knew, just kind of at a glance. Yep, the camera's on. And not only when they got up next to me, I realized it wasn't who I thought it was. But here are some pictures. Tell me who you think it is. The difference was this was a Ford, and also had a fireplace. Didn't know any better. I thought it was somebody used to travel with a good bit. Looks like almost there. What a road. Horrible. Maybe I can find a place to park in here. Don't need much room, just need a little bit. There's James talking to Santa Claus. Oh wow. Oh wow. Okay. I just met Annie on her dual sport. She pulled up here beside me on the motorhome. She says, "You got a pretty little motorcycle." And I said, "Well, yours is pretty too. You've been everywhere, haven't you?"
I sure have, and I keep going. I just keep wanting to see everything.
BMW GS, that's 800?
GSA, yep.
Ooh, how many miles you put on her?
This is 55,000, 56.
56,000. Chain drives on the other side.
It's been through some hell, too.
Right?
It's been on the ground a few times.
Well, that's what those bars are for.
Yep, it is.
You've been around, you've been around. Look at all of her stickers here. She's from Washington State. Says she just got out of Idaho, had 2 flat tires.
And some nice people stopped to help.
Good deal. And you camp, and I see you fish. Oh no, that's a walking pole.
Oh yeah, just because of my knee, you know.
Good
Once in a while you get off the bike.
I need to get some of these bark busters for my little
Yes, you do. Those are, and they also protect from this cold and rain.
That's true.
So,
but if you fall over, you won't bust your bust your levers.
Slip up.
And you got Pink Panther here.
Yeah, my
you
little
got your
creatures that guide me along the way. I just spent motorcycling over in Scotland. That's,
wow.
That's one of their Highland cows.
This bike went to Scotland?
No, I rented 1,200 over there.
That's smart. So
That's great.
Good deal, good deal. She's been around. So I told her I told her about the channel, and I asked her if I could take a picture. Hush, baby, MaeMae's. I asked her if I could take a picture of her bike and everything, and she said, sure. And I said, well, all these stickers, she might want a Campervan Kevin sticker.
Absolutely.
Nice to meet you, Ms. Annie.
Nice to meet you too.
Now, where do you sleep at? Do you have a tent?
Well, this trip I've just been hoteling it.
I don't blame you.
Because camping is a whole other story, and it's too cold and too much time. So I've just been staying in places.
You worry about anybody ever? When I've done Gold Wings, I got many miles on Gold Wings, and those are kind of hard to steal. You ever take your bike into the motel room?
No, I have not done that, but I do lock it. You know, lock the steering. And
That's all you can do, right?
And it's I'm in pretty good places, so far so good.
Good deal. Well, I'm glad you like my name of my motorcycle is called Miss America, nice. And I call it Miss America the Motorcycle.
Nice. That's perfect. Well, enjoy that thing. You're going to have a great time.
Nice to meet you, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
There goes Annie. Now I have misplaced my microphone muff. James is cold. I mean, it's like 30 degrees maybe. 35.
35, it might be 35, 39, somewhere in there.
Well, let's see, we got signs here. No drones. Of course, you know, all these people are going to get killed by drones, so you can't have drones here.
Of course.
Glacial dams and lakes.
The largest floods ever known to man happened here.
Really?
Yep. That's why all this is carved out. So they used to have glacial dams over more towards Missoula. There was something known as Glacial Lake Missoula back in the day. And the dams would sometimes break apart and send millions of gallons of mud, icebergs, and glaciers down through this area,
wow.
Carving right through it all the way out to the Pacific. And this is what we get.
So the Noah's Ark come over this thing too? We don't know.
Yeah.
We don't know.
Could have happened.
So they have tent camping here, but no RVs. We're almost there. So James, why did you let me lose my microphone muff? We're gonna have wind noise now. It's your fault.
Probably is my fault. I actually hid it from him. You know, I got to have all the good audio. You know, it's a competition sort of thing.
I understand. So we're setting the stage.
Woo!
Oh, let's go swimming. Oh wow, you're kidding. Wow.
Can you believe that's here?
No.
In the middle of nowhere. Would be a beautiful place to go swimming in the summer, though, huh?
Yeah, if it wasn't freezing.
Yeah, I don't know if you'd have your buddies anymore if you went swimming in there today.
Right. So we'll have to check out whose audio is better. We'll see if the little GoPro 6 versus the I'm on the iPhone 10, Samsung 10.
We'll have to see
S10.
if you picked up the least wind noise.
Yeah, so check both their videos out to see who's got the best. Look at this place.
I tried my best to cheat and win by hiding his dead path. So.
Right. And he's hiding behind me too. I saw that. Just because I don't say I know better don't mean I don't know better.
Right.
Just because I don't say anything.
Just because I play dumb doesn't mean I don't know what's going on.
That's right. What a sight to see. I got back to the RV. These babies went out. Do you know how cold it is out there? Huh? Inside here, you got the heat on. Nice and toasty warm in here. The furnace set at 60 something, 50 something. Can't read it. It's still a lot warmer in here than it is out there. I'll take you out one by one, let you potty. We're headed out of Palouse Falls. Just got word that Aja got her a brand new RV. I couldn't be more proud for her. Very, very happy for her. I knew that she had, or I had heard that she had engine failure in Panda. And yeah, it was time she got something different, something new. Good for her. She's the only one in our community that has the ability, that I know of, that has the ability to compete with Eric with quality of photography. She's got mad skills. Very good with filming and photography. When she sets her mind to it, she's good. Me, I'm just good enough to put video out. I think my strong suit, I think I can tell a pretty good story sometimes. And it makes up for my lack of filming finesse. We'll have our strengths and weaknesses. Good for you, Aja. Congratulations. Well, it's been a good day. Left our campsite up there at the dam. We went to Palouse Falls. Met the lady traveling the country on her motorcycle. Hey, what else could you ask for? Me and James have been on the road for another hour or so. We got our camping spot here. He's got his van parked here next to mine. Plugged it to my outside outlet, so he's got even more power to run some stuff. But yeah, it's a good day. Thank you for coming along with us. But like all videos, this one has to end. And this one is going to end right here. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Hey, we'll see you again soon. You guys take care. Bye-bye. Stick a fork in me. I'm done. It's cold.